how to add other story to my story on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can add other story to your own story on Instagram, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to add other story to your story on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Instagram app. There are two case scenarios. One is if you're mentioned in a specific story, you can see this person has mentioned me in the story. I can directly add this person's story because I'm mentioned in it by tapping on the add this story to your button right over here at the bottom. So if I tap on the add this to your story button, I'll be able to successfully add this story directly to my story without having to take any type of screenshots or downloads. But if I'm not mentioned in the story, the only way I can add that person's story is by taking a screenshot. So what you have to do is just make sure to take a screenshot of that specific story whose you want to actually add in your own story, right? So you can just make sure to take a screenshot. Once you take a screenshot, tap on the plus icon, select that specific screenshot, and now you can simply add it to your story. And if you want, you can even mention that person just like that, but keep in mind that without being mentioned, you have to take a screenshot. If you are mentioned, you can directly add it to your story. Hope this video helped you answer your question as to how you can add other story to your own story on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.